Alright everyone, I don't know what's going on, but when I went to start my coffee this morning, I noticed there was water pooled and sitting in the top of my stove. And then I noticed some over here on top of the microwave. Oh no. I don't understand this because this is just a one-story house. Up above we've got the vent. Let me see. There is a hole for the vent. Put my hands up here. It does feel a little bit damp. I wonder if the storms last night had water coming in that vent. And I don't know if it goes through to the roof or if it is just to the attic space. I bet it came down here through that fan and dripped. I see splashes on the back. I see splashes on top here a little bit. All right, this is going to require further investigation. But what's water doing over here? Oh goodness, let's open this up and see what's going on. I don't understand. My hands are up here. It's not wet. It's not wet at all. That's not wet. That's not wet. I don't know. All right. Today has turned into a strange day. I don't understand this. May have to get up on the roof and see what's going on. We had some heavy storms come through last night, so something could have gotten blown away. Let's see what's going on. There's a shingle section. I don't see any else on this side. Nothing over the bedroom area. There's vents for the tub over there. Sink, and then toilet. All right. Ooh. All right. We got a shingle or two missing here. May have to take this off up to the cap. That's looks like 4 rows, and that we actually are down to the wood here. So that's looks like it's easily repairable. We got a shingle over here on the edge. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put some plastic over this until I can get it repaired, because we've got rain in the forecast. So that roof vent works just fine. That roof vent works just fine. These two, however, don't spin at all. Let's show you. Same for this other one. All right. So, I've already looked online. The home repair center stores, the blue one, blue and gray one, and the orange one, both carry these spinning turbine roof vents. I've always called them whirlybird roof vents, but these don't look like they're level. So, in fact, they're not at all. So it's probably why that one was level. The other one's not. Probably why they met their demise. But they've got two different sizes. There's 12-inch and 14-inch. I'm going to guess these are 14-inch, but I'm going to measure and make sure. I'm not going to take these off because we've got rain in the forecast. So I'm going to measure, and we'll calculate what the diameter is. We're going to measure the circumference, and then we'll calculate diameter from that circumference. Here we go. I got two different ways of measuring the diameter or the circumference. All right, the first way is to actually measure with a cloth or flexible measuring tape so you can get an accurate number. This one has centimeters on one side and inches on the other side, so we can go either way to get an accurate number. Seeing as how we're in America, we use inches here, unfortunately. Centimeters much more easy to use, much easier to use. Another way is to use a string. This is some paracord with a knot in one end. I will wrap it around and measure the length that it takes to go around one circumference or one time around that shaft. And so I know whether I need to get a 12-inch or 14-inch diameter whirlybird to go on top of there to replace these that don't spin. And who knows, I might be able to actually repair them. I'm not going to count on that though. So all right, so we're going to measure from this knot. I'm going to pick that screw right there as my starting point. I'm going to go around and then to that screw. So that gives us this distance here. And I'm going to measure. I'm going to go ahead and set this here, and I'm going to measure with my other measuring tape real quick. I'm going to set that so I know that right there is the beginning. And we're going to do the same. I'm using inches here. So again, we're starting right there. And going all the way around. 3 foot 1 inch is my diameter. So let's compare it again to the string. I bet we get 3 foot 1 inch also. There. Woo, there goes that. Foot, yeah, 1.5. We'll go inside and calculate because I don't remember the formula offhand. I believe it's pi circumference divided by pi or pi divided by circumference. It's one or the other. We'll figure it out real quick. All right, diameter is circumference divided by pi. Diameter, there we go. So circumference, let's say 37 inches, shows to be a 12-inch diameter. So inside of here, it's just not right. I don't know if something got bent, which is very possible. Yeah, because it spins now. So I think this external brace got bent at some time during the storm. So we've got a new one now. I'm going to replace the other one, spin the camera around here, and get it too. All right, I'm gonna clean these nails up and put fresh tar paper down over and then fresh shingles. So some of these shingles only had a couple of nails in them. They're supposed to have, you know, like 6 nails. Some I pulled up, it looked like they only had like maybe 2. So I don't know if the roofers got lazy or what, but ran out of nails. Knew they were running out. I don't know, but we're gonna get this done right. All right, this repair's done. The previous roofer, probably 15, 20 years ago, yeah, probably about that, only used 4 nails in each shingle. You should have at least 6, sometimes 8, depending on where the shingle is. If it's on the edge, 8's a good number. But we've got the tar paper repaired. We've got both roof vents here replaced. As the sun beats down on these, it'll push these edges down on those tabs that are sticking up just a little bit on the cap. But otherwise, we've got us a good repair here. Color's a little off, but I really don't care. Shingles are shingles. All right, it's been a great day. I'm gonna clean up this mess, get it ready for tomorrow's trash pickup, and see what else I can do today.